If you love reading books online for free, then you probably heard about OceanofPDF. But is it actually the best PDF and ebook download website in 2026? Or is it just another risky website people should avoid? In this video, I'm giving you an honest review after researching what the site offers, what real users are saying, and whether it's really worth using today. So basically, OceanofPDF is a website where you can download free PDFs and EPUB books in different categories like novels, self-help, business, finance, education, and even trending bestsellers. The website looks very simple and easy to use, which is one reason why it became so popular. You can search for books quickly, download files without creating an account in many cases, and the library is honestly massive. A lot of users online say they use it because books are getting expensive, especially students and readers who cannot always afford paid platforms. Some people on Reddit and Trustpilot even describe it as one of their favorite websites for finding free ebooks because the downloads are fast and the collection is huge. But this is where things get controversial. Many authors and publishers accuse OceanofPDF of sharing copyrighted books illegally, and several reviews online call it a piracy website. Some authors even complained publicly that their books were uploaded without permission, so that's definitely something you should know before using it. Another issue is safety. While some users say they never had any problems downloading files, other reviews warn about suspicious mirror websites, possible malware risks, or broken downloads. So even though the main website may look clean and simple, there is still some risk involved, especially if you land on fake copies of the site. One thing I noticed is that user opinions are extremely divided. Readers who want free access to books usually love it, while authors and publishers strongly dislike it for obvious reasons. So the experience really depends on your perspective. In terms of features, the best things about OceanofPDF are the large free library, EPUB and PDF support, easy search system, and quick downloads. The biggest downsides are the copyright controversy, unstable domains, and possible safety concerns depending on where you download files from. So my honest opinion is this: OceanofPDF is definitely popular and useful for people searching for free books, but it also comes with legal and ethical concerns that you should seriously consider before using it. If you decide to visit the site, make sure you stay careful, avoid suspicious ads, and understand the risks involved. And if you want to support authors directly, legal platforms are always the safer option. Anyway, that's my honest review of OceanofPDF in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you've ever used the website and what your experience was like.